How to share Facebook page link. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook and say, for example, you wanted to share this page right here. All what you need to do is just click on the share icon at the top right corner, and you will be given a lot of options that you can use. For example, you can share it in a post, send it as a message, invite friends. You can even copy link to send it to friends, or you can even click on the last option that says more option, which will give you even more ways that you can use to share this page. You can also click on the three dots at the bottom of the like button and click on share, and you will get the same previous options. For some pages, you will not find this share icon, so all you need to do is just click on the three dots midway right the screen, and at the end of the page you will see the page link that you can just copy and share with your friends or wherever you want to use it. So that was it for this video. That's how you can share a Facebook page link. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.